Hey everyone, this week's tip, I'm going to be showing you how to schedule your videos on YouTube. So I'm going to have to put pause on this while the video is uploading. So I'm not just sitting here watching videos, but it's pretty simple. You just come to your upload area and let me grab the file. Ooh, how to use Quora. Okay, so there is an option here. Okay, so here I'm just going to select the recording date just to make my life a little bit easier. And then I'm going to come into basic info and I'm going to select scheduled. Now you have to make sure that your channel is verified. Otherwise, if this option isn't showing up for you, that might be why. So I'm going to go ahead and select the scheduled date. I'm going to have it go out a little earlier. 12 a.m. Okay. So while this is uploading, then I'm just going to hit publish and it'll do its thing. So that's how I can get my YouTube channel to kind of do its own thing. Well, I go to the beach, just kidding. Okay, everyone, I'll see you next week. Bye.